let's go out to Jarrettsville, where meteorologist Erik is enjoying the sun and also the sunflowers. So, Erik, when is the fall going to arrive?
Yeah, Kelly and Mallory. It looks like fall's going to get here by the time we get towards the end of the work week. But, of course, we have some record-breaking heat to talk about tomorrow. And we're here with Melissa McDade, and she's one of the volunteers here for the Sunflowers of Jarrettsville, also a reverend within the area. And do the sunflowers like this kind of weather?
Actually, no, they don't. They wilt a little faster in the heat.
They wilt a little faster in the heat. So, of course, the upcoming days, a lot of folks most likely going to be taking the final selfies of the season. What does that mean to y'all here in the community?
Well, it's great to have everybody coming. People come from far and wide and just enjoy it. It's just a wonderful place to be. It's peaceful. It's fun. It's a great time for a family or for anybody that wants to come.
So you heard it from Melissa, of course, a great time, and tomorrow should be a great day for it. You'll have to just drop your donation of $5 off in the donation box there. Forecast-wise, we are talking about record-breaking heat. Temperatures right around 94 degrees. Charm City Charlie does not like that. He wants fall to come here as soon as possible, and it will get here as we get towards Thursday. October standards, by the way, we should be an average high of 72 degrees out there. We're nowhere near that right now. Current conditions here in Baltimore, close to 90 degrees. It feels like 90 degrees out there. The dew point factor is up in the 60s, so the areas that you can wear is in place. Regionally, we're looking at temps in the mid-80s at this time. A little cooler in the mountains as well as at the coast, but that dew point factor, it's in the 60s. That air that you can wear will have one more day to deal with that, and that should be about it. Radar is clear at this time. A wider view temperature-wise, though, shows many locations in the 90s off to the south. You have to go all the way out towards the Dakotas to see temperatures generally in the 40s and 50s, and also up towards the north into Maine, where it's a lot cooler as well. A wider view, though, of the radar shows that cold front. It is back towards the west in the Four Corners region, and eventually it will arrive here by the time we get towards the end of the work week. It will take some time to do so. So Futurecast, as we run the clock for you, you'll notice as we go through the day tomorrow, it's all about the heat. There's limited cloud coverage to deal with across the region. Temperatures will be up in the 90-degree range, so blazing and blistering and even scorching at times with feel-like numbers close to 100 degrees. But on Thursday itself, we could look at a couple spotty showers coming in during the early morning hours along with some clouds, which will suppress those temperatures. So tonight's forecast is really all about the mugginess and the need for the air conditioners out there. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s in some spots, so those air conditioning bills will make a climb at least one more time. We go into tomorrow fighting a record of 89 degrees back in 1986. That's what we're chasing down. We're forecasting a high of 94 degrees underneath mostly sunny skies. Clouds will be on the increase late across the area with temperatures in most spots across the region throughout Maryland, from the mountains to the beaches, in the 80s to right around 90 degrees. So nobody gets relief on Wednesday across the region. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. It is hot for one day. We'll try to break a record here on your Wednesday. Once again, 89. That should be in reach from 1986. We'll go down to about 70 there on Thursday, into the 60s by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's what we're looking forward to. A taste of fall around here. Pumpkin spice latte alert. And then we're back in the mid to upper 70s by the beginning of next week with some much-needed rain across the area. Speaking of which, I want to ask Melissa McDade this question about the need for rain. The ground below, pretty harsh.
Very hard, very hard. We can't get our signs in. The farmers are having trouble planting fall crops because they can't penetrate the ground.
So that may be another story in itself over the coming days, but of course behind us you can see the beautiful views of Jarrettsville here, rolling fields of yellow. Sunflowers still look good, although we are passing the peak season, and the heat doesn't help that much as it wilts the flowers a bit, but still plenty of selfies to be had here in Jarrettsville, and a great cause. Of course, all the money here in the community goes to help out, especially with those in need. Here live in Jarrettsville, meteorologist Erik sending it back over to you.
All right, thanks a lot, Erik. Well, the result